Yung panyong yung nalaglag.
Ha?
Yung panyong yung nalaglag.
I'm sorry, I'm listening to Dependent by Kian.
I need you now more than I needed you then. I guess I'm too dependent, dependent.
What specific problem can you give from the issues and challenges regarding life in the IT era kung nasa AIT yan?
I think we're too dependent na on technology. Like nung sabi sa kantang pinapakinggan ko kanina is, I need you more now than I need you then. I'm too dependent. Especially sa tulad ko na isang IT student, like, masyado na ako nakadepend sa technology, like ChatGPT and Google's. Unlike nung before na masyado tayo mas nakadepende tayo sa books and other sources of information. Ganun.
So, thank you sa time.
So hey guys, my name is Gian Matthew S. Scorpio, a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology major. And this is a day in the life of a modern IT student.
Pa, kamusta dyan sa Amerika? Oo, kami ni ate, okay lang dito. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Nakakuha na nga pala namin yung pinadala yung pera.
I became dependent to technology because it's the only way I can connect with them. Having loved ones living so far away from you would always make things so hard. But with the help of technology, that distance is only blocked by two screens. With the help of technology, I can look up nutritious and tasty recipes to cook and prepare with easy guides and tips to make my cooking more fun and filled. Not only you got full, but also you enjoyed your cooking. Isn't that good? Technology helps us in many ways. Even the hardest of tasks can be made simple with the help of technology. In my spare time, I like to have a light workout session to keep my body fit and healthy. I may not be using technology directly, but I like to listen to music when I work out.
So guys, nandito tayo sa study area. So nakikita nyo maraming kulang. Mga IT students sila. Tara, interview natin sila. Ano pong course?
Pwede po kayo sumali sa content namin.
Ay, busy po ako eh.
May premium po.
Saan nakakapag-usapan niyo?
Pwede po tayo lumipat ng pwesto.
Okay, go.
So, pwede niyo po gawin yung sa course college po yung sa TikTok po.
Sige po. Anong topic po ba?
Bali, with the twist lang po. About lang po sa course niyo yung gagawin na twist. Okay lang po.
Okay lang. I'm an IT student. Of course, nakadepende ako sa technology. Pero sa student, dapat balance ang pakikipag-socialize, ang paggamit ng technology, at may physical activities pa rin.
Hi, I'm Ruby, and this is a day in the life of an IT student. Mr. Rooster is noisy when the day begins in the early morning. Time to get out of bed and stretch. What actions do I plan to take today? Schoolworks? Household tasks? No. I'm going to start by making my bed. Let me have a cup of coffee. Coffee tastes amazing anytime, even in summer, because the weather is fantastic and somewhat warm. It boosts my productivity and raises my napping efficiency. I'm an IT student. Of course, coding has been part of my daily life. I have to use technology to learn about technology. Learning technology every single day is necessary. Why? For the simple reason that technology is subject to change. So let's not focus on it for the entire day. Remember to always take a break. Come on, let's disconnect from the technology. Breathe some air outside. You may drive and enjoy your entire trip. Driving is relaxing, unless you encounter how other people drive. I love to go around the city. I love to visit other places. But if you want a break from technology without spending even single penny, then bond with your family.
Hello. Punta natin sila. Excuse me po, pwede po magtanong? IT student po kayo. Pwede po makain niyo ng oras mo? Bali, may konting katanungan lang po ako. For you po, what is possible impact ng pagkakaroon ng balance sa paggamit ng technology at ng pakikipag-socialize at pagsali ng mga physical activities?
Siguro ang major impact po ng pagkakaroon ng balance na life and paggamit ng technology is para para hindi tayo maging pa and para mas maging productive tayo and magkaroon tayo ng healthy life.
Good. So how about naman po sa what are the resources available that will help you complete your solution?
Yung mga resources na pwede natin gamitin is like sumali tayo sa mga physical activities and maglaan tayo ng time para sa non-technological activities like reading books, crafting, like mga ganon. Kasi for me, ang mga ginagawa ko pag nag-take ako ng time away from technology is nag-aaral ako mga ganchilyo and nagkakaligraphy ako. And pwede rin siguro tayo mag-provide ng mga books, like riddle books, ganon, para ma-enhance yung critical and logical thinking natin, mga ganon.
Hi everyone, my name is Riza and this is a day in my life as an IT student. As an IT student, I mostly spend my time in front of cell phones, laptops, and computers. So, to help myself, after spending time with technology, I also devote a time or naglalaan din ako ng extra time away from technology and I do a non-technological activities. Like in here, I'm practicing different crocheting stitches, which is a new hobby of mine, which I just discovered a month ago. I do this because it is fun and relaxing for me. Although it is a very time-consuming hobby, it is good for me because it gives me peace of mind. And also, if I have an extra time, I do my favorite thing to do, which is calligraphy. It is also a time-consuming hobby, but it enhances my skills and creativity. And I also enjoy doing this, so yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Kenny Clarin, an IT student, and I'm excited to share with you my day as an IT student. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Hi, umaga na naman. Pagkagising ko nga, agad din ako bumangon kahit medyo antok pa. Iniisip ko na din nung oras na yan kung ano na nga ba ang gagawin ko sa buong araw na ito. Pero bago ang lahat, naging routine ko na din ang pagpunta sa bintana para silipin kung maganda ba ang panahon. ayun nga, sobrang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Tapos, nagsimula na nga yung online class namin. Itong araw din na to yung presentation ng project namin. May ibang group pa na nagpe-present kaya nakikinig muna ako dyan. Kung medyo malapit na kami, sinimulan ko na ulit magbasa para ma-refresh yung ipe-present ko at di ako ma-mental block. Di man halata, pero kabado na ako dyan. Ilang araw ako nag-prepare para sa presentation ko, kaya syempre gusto kong maging maganda yung result ng pagod naming lahat. Pero buti na lang, successful naman yung nangyari at kailabasan ng presentation ko. At ang oras na ito, nag-iisip na nga ako kung ano pa ba ang susunod ko na gagawin dahil wala na kaming sunod na klase. Naisip ko magbasa ng libro para na din naman makapagpahinga yung mata ko sa paggamit ng technology. Nakahiligan ko na magbasa ng libro lalo na pag wala talaga akong ginagawa. Nakakalibang siya at nakakatuwa kasi marami akong nalalaman without using technology. Pag may extra time naman, sa gabi naglalaro ako ng basketball para maging physically fit at healthy. Kasi halos buong araw ako nakaupo lang sa harap ng mga gadgets.